Let's start by looking at current state of our project using git status command and git log command. Let's go to terminal and clear it. Git status. Enter. And here you see that we are located on branch master. Actually, we see that also in command prompt here, thanks to ZH and iterm2. And there is nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. And that is the current status of this project. And also you see that yellow cross sign has disappeared after committing changes. And that is a reflection actually of git status output. If there is nothing to commit, you'll see nothing here in command prompt. But as soon as you'll make any changes and until you will commit them, you'll see here this yellow cross sign. In some cases, in some command prompts, you may see green check sign if there is nothing to commit, like in our case now. Okay, that is the current status of our project. Let's enter second command, git log. Enter, and here we see history of the changes. And at the moment we see only single commit. Here is its hash. Here is author of this commit. It's me, my name and my email. And again, when you commit any changes, Git takes name of the user and email of the user from configuration of the Git. And you can set those values either in global configuration of the Git or locally for a specific project. And we have configured name and email globally for local Git. Also, you see here date of the commit, and now it is represented in readable format, not in Unix timestamp. Here you see date and time when I have made my commit. Also you see here time zone. And below you'll see description of the commit. And in our case, description is our very first commit in the project. Also here in the brackets you see strange word head, then arrow and master. I'll explain you what is head just in several lectures. At the moment, let's just skip this part. Okay. That is git log and its output. Again, we have only one commit at the moment, and structure of our project looks like this. There is commit that points to tree and tree points to two blobs. And in my case, SHA-1 hash of the commit starts with 6f b7 3b. Here is first several characters. In your case, SHA-1 hash will be completely different because of different contents of commit object. Okay, Ctrl Z, and now we are ready to create one more file in our project. And we will create it directly here in our first project folder. At the moment, there are two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. Let's create one more file, file3.txt. Let me clear terminal, and let's create it using nano editor. Nano file3.txt. Enter. And let's write here, for example, this is third file in our Git repository. Like that. Ctrl X exit, save modified buffer Y, enter, and we are done. File was created. And we immediately see again here this yellow cross sign. Let's now list files, ls-l. And now we see one more file in our working directory here. And now distribution of the files will be like this. There are two files here, here and here, and one more file was created in working directory. Let's get back here and let's list files in staging area. Git ls files -s. And there are still only two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. File3.txt is absent now in staging area. Now let's have a look at current state of our project. Git status. Enter. And now we see that we are still on master branch, but there are untracked files. And file name of untracked file is listed here. It is file3.txt. And also you see that there is nothing added to commit, but untracked files are present. And in parentheses here, you see that we should use git add command in order to start tracking files. And now it's time to stop here and talk about different tracking statuses of the files. In this current output, you see that file 3.txt is now untracked. But we can change its status to tracked by entering git add command. In Git, there are 4 different tracking statuses of each file, and every file may change its status multiple times while you are working with your project. And those 4 tracking statuses are untracked, unmodified, modified, and staged. And let me make short overview of file tracking statuses in the next lecture. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.